Reciprocals. A reciprocal is an inverted or flipped fraction. Reciprocals multiply. When you multiply them together, you get an answer of 1. So find the reciprocal of 3/4. So all we do is we invert it or flip the fraction. So what is now on the bottom will become on the top, and what is once on the top becomes on the bottom. So 4/3 is the reciprocal. And when you multiply it, 3/4 times 4/3, you need to make sure you get an answer of 1. So this is a way to check it. So what we would do, this just becomes 1, this becomes 1, this becomes 1, and this becomes 1. Because we can cancel before we even multiply, so we just get 1 as our answer. So we know we did it right. Now let's look at another example. Example 2. Find the reciprocal of 2/3. So we just flip it. So the 3 is now on the top and the 2 is on the bottom, our denominator. And this would be our solution. Now let's do another example. Find the reciprocal of -9. So for this, we would put this over 1 to show that that's the fraction before we even get started. So now we flip this 1 is now on the top, the 9 is on the bottom, and we keep the negative. So we have -1/9. And if you're not quite sure if we should keep the negative or not, we know we need to get an answer of 1, right? And so we have -9/1 times 1/9. In order for this to be positive 1, we need to keep a negative there, because two negative numbers being multiplied together is becoming positive. Now let's do another example. Find the reciprocal of 1/7. So we put the 1 on the bottom and the 7 on the top, so we get 7/1, which is the same as just saying 7. So we can put either one as our solution, and that would be the correct answer.